Today's hair sponsor is Nadula Hair. I've worked with them quite a bit on my channel. I actually love Nadula Hair. They have some of my favorite wigs for straight wigs, and I'm actually surprised because this wig is totally different from the typical wig that I would normally try from Nadula Hair. It's summertime, we're living our best lives, we're going outside, and that means we need blonde hair. If you're sick of watching highlight wig reviews this summer, this is probably not the channel for you because I love wearing highlight wigs in the summer, and I think you guys do too. So if you that like it, stick around because we are going to be jumping into it. Let's talk about what I have installed today. What I have installed is a 24-inch wear and go highlight curly wig.
And you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, cause your love's too deep. You know your love.
Okay, so let's begin. This is the wig that we're going to be installing today. Look at that, breathable. It is hot outside, and this is the perfect wig. Comes ready to wear, okay, baby? Breathable. Look at the silicone strap. There's not going to be any slippage going on. So I'm going to try it on first without any lace tint, and then I'm probably going to tint it. It looks good, but I am gonna go in with a bit of lace tint. The only thing I'm noticing is it's kind of a little loose here. See that? Okay, this is very, very big. So I'm gonna spray her down. Oh, wow. This is gonna be a lot of spraying. I'm noticing like the lace here is a little bit big fitting, so half the time this spray bottle don't be spraying. Like, what type of spray bottle are you? There's water, but it's not spraying. Like, the lace area is not secured enough. The wig is secured, but just this area. Just a little, not too much. So lastly, we're gonna clean up the part, and then we're gonna come back and let it dry. So I like to spray hairspray on it afterwards. Literally the rest I'm going to let dry naturally because I really don't want the curls to be frizzy. So this lace melts really nicely when you secure her, so you should melt her down. It looks better. It looks 100 times better.
To hear you say, you know that I miss us. I wanna be the one that you.
And this is the prime example, you guys, of why you should secure your glueless wig, why you should melt it down.
There can be no other.
now she's living her best life, isn't she? Mm-hmm.
It's getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me, so come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away.
This is actually a 6x4x5 closure lace. It does give you a bit more space on the sides that you can play around with, so it gives you. This wig is amazing. It is a breathable cap and it has a silicone band all around it. The wig is definitely guaranteed to stay on your head, but what's not guaranteed to stay down was this part right here. Baby, this part was flapping up and I knew I had to secure her. I don't like doing this. It's a glueless wig. Anytime you see a glueless wig, believe me, I always want to do it glueless. I always want to install it glueless, but it was not going to work for me today. I'm going out. I'm not leaving the house with my lace flapping up. No, sorry. So I secured her because look how nice she looks. That HD lace blended into my skin effortlessly. Super full. This is 150% density. Then wow, I'm shocked because this is a lot of hair. I wouldn't mind going in and adding like some shorter layers to it, like just around there, because I find like it's just too, it's all like all one length, and I think those ones, like this part needs to be a little bit shorter. So just the little things like that I would do to just kind of tweak it a little bit. If this wig is something that you might be interested in, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you so you can check that out before you go. Beautiful wig though, 10 out of 10 for the HD lace. Check them out because you guys know this looks beautiful on bomb.com. Anywho, I'm gonna go. Catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye.
Nadula.